Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to Settings so we can remove the keyboard now. Open Settings, tap System or General Management, then Languages and Input. This puts the input options on screen. Once there, tap On-Screen Keyboard or Virtual Keyboard to reveal installed keyboards. Make sure to note which keyboard is active so you can switch later. If a prompt appears asking for permissions, allow temporarily so you can change defaults. This initial step ensures you can safely disable the target keyboard. You now change the default keyboard before disabling anything to avoid losing input. Tap Default Keyboard, choose an alternative from the list, and confirm. Once done, return to the keyboard list and select the keyboard you want removed. Tap Disable or Uninstall. On Android, you may need to clear defaults and then disable. On iPhone, remove the keyboard from Keyboards list. After disabling, test typing in a Note app to confirm the new default works, and make adjustments if needed. Finish by rebooting the phone to ensure the system releases any keyboard processes. A quick restart often resolves lingering issues. Once restarted, open several apps and type to verify the keyboard is removed and the new default behaves correctly. If you find you cannot type or the keyboard reappears, go back to Settings, Languages, and Input and re-enable the previously installed keyboard temporarily. This restores access, so you can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.